Alright lads, welcome back to another video. So this is a pretty exciting one for me. So, do you know what I was saying about the induction kit, how expensive they are? Well, some lad I know, local to me, unfortunately he's had a engine problem with his VXR, so that's pretty shit. Sorry to hear that, mate. But he's literally just bought an induction kit and he's taken it off and said I can buy it, so I'm getting a good bit of discount on it. So I'm gonna go drive now to pick it up and have a little talk with the lad about his car, because I do feel pretty sorry for him, but he bought a VXR and probably happened to me in the future. So yeah, I'll see you when I get there. Right, so I've driven to the location, lads, and the Astra VXR, exactly the same as mine, pretty nice. So I'll get out and talk to the lad now. Right, let's have a look. Right boys, this is Nathan. There he is. This is his Astra VXR. Have you checked the... Have you looked at it? You've like hot dial out or anything?
The radio. Oh, that's
Sweet, there it is.
yeah, it'll be alright. Like, it's a shame, mate, because it's only done, you know, 1,000 miles maybe.
Yeah. There it is. How much? About 300 quid these are, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
370. You can get in here, you know.
Sorting me out a right bargain, isn't it?
Yeah, 370 with the hose, I guess, man. It's alright, like, it's, you know. It's alright, it's a shame.
Right, so we've got the Courtney Sport off, and Nathan the legend is giving me a hand. Well, he looks like he's doing it for us, but
I'm doing my best, man.
so we're gonna just do a quick video on how to change it over, well, time lapse.
People don't bother doing this. They won't buy the hose, you know what I mean? They'll just like
Gotta have the hose in.
use the extension and put that on and then put the cone on that. But
look at this, boys. Got Nathan grafting.
yeah, the car's broke and I'm still working on one.
Oh, well.
It's very hot though.
Yeah, well, I've just driven down here. I have, and engine's a bit hot. The fucking turbo. Is that turbo pipe there?
It is.
Yeah. Burning his fucking hands on it.
Oh aye, right. Get a skin graft and why with the money I'll save in fuel.
Yeah. Such a shame, such a shame.
It is, mate. I keep it and I'd fix it and I'd do, you know, I would, but I spent so much money on that car, lost all love for it. All love for it, man.
Right lads, we finally got the fucking, this pipe here. If you are going to do it, that is a twat to get off. It goes down the back there.
To be fair, if Danny sees a video, he'll know that I went to him for help and he went, can't help you over the phone.
So you got to take that little vac pipe off here. Allows you to be able to pull it out. And then it goes on to where that black and nice shiny chrome bit is down there. Where's the fucking auto? Yeah, sweet. So now we're going to stick the Courtney Sport fucking intake on.
We'll get it done, mate. We'll get it done.
Yes. guy, look at him.
The speaker.
The speaker system in here
Look at
is
him.
really good.
On the
There is
YouTube,
no
son.
distortion.
What a guy.
You like that,
It'd be like Wigan.
We've just got this Courtney Sport pipe on, lads. It was a bastard. Well, we're not we. Nathan's got it on. I'm standing here watching.
This is always paying double, like.
Yeah. You'll fuck me and get mugged off.
Nah, man.
He's enjoying himself.
Yeah.
YouTube star.
It's nice to work on a car that works, like.
Yeah, so. I'll do it. I was going to do before and after of it running. I'll fuck that up, innit? It's just going to have to be an after running, boys.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
it'll be alright.
Right, let's get this thing on, mate.
Right, boys, Nathan has fucking got it on.
Belter.
We're going to do a little start up in a minute.
Get it done now, mate.
Yeah, everything's sweet.
Everything's ready to go, mate. What we'll do, we'll put the thing back on as well.
Yeah.
Hold that. Put the cover back on.
Look at that.
Everywhere.
Right, you ready? I'll give it a start and you fucking...
Give it a rev, mate. Don't worry about that at all, man, dude.
Fucking big kid on Christmas, mate.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Happy as Larry.
Right, lads, so that's it. Just show you how it's been fitted and had a little look at Nave's car. Fucking, yeah, it's fucked. So thanks for watching. Drop a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.